Hi, welcome to the Auto Collision Repair Technology Program here at the Susquehanna County Career Technology Center. I'm Mr. Caswell, your instructor. I'd like to give you a little overview of the program. First, you might want to know a little bit about me, your instructor. I've been in this pretty much my whole life. Dad had a repair shop next door to where I grew up, and pretty much from the time I could walk, I've been in there watching how cars get fixed and getting my hand into it a little bit myself. Matter of fact, I remember one time when I was 7, Dad wasn't around, and I took it upon myself to take one of the wrecks apart to get it ready for the shop repair on that. Surprisingly, I didn't thought he was going to be mad at me, but he wasn't with that. After high school, I got an associate in applied science and automotive technology at SUNY Morrisville in New York State. After graduating from there, I got recruited for a Ford dealership down in sunny South Florida at Pompano Beach. After a while there, I did have to come back to the family business up north. And eventually I started thinking about the need for future techs, and I started looking into education. To do that, I got a vocational 2 certificate, both in collision repair technology and automotive technology from Temple University to teach in Pennsylvania. I also have multiple ASE certifications. I'm a master collision repair technician, automotive repair technician, and about 7 other ASE certifications. The standard for keeping the techs in the field up to date on information is an organization called ICAR. I have multiple trainings and certifications from ICAR, along with various equipment and product certifications also. A little bit about the education on this. As we said, ICAR, we have a curriculum for that. As you can see with our banners that we support that. And along with that, we have what they call a professional development program electronic edition. So we have a curriculum from ICAR that the student will start with. And from that point, once they get employed, they will continue with that education. Also, at the end of the year, the student will take a test for an ASE entry-level certification, which is good for 2 years. The student will also get a certification in the mobile air conditioning MAX 609 refrigerant and the SP2 safety and pollution certification with that. Now, for the student to perform well here and out in the field, there's a toolkit that they can get. As far as the tools, there's this great gear wrench set that's got multiple sockets, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive, both in shallow and deep, 6-point and 12-point, along with an array of combination wrenches. We like our students to look sharp in the shop, and we have this work shirt here from Red Cap with a custom black and white stripe, embroidered logo here, and the student's first name will go above the right breast. For safety, we have the safety glasses, depending if they need prescription lenses, we have these custom pair or the regular safety glasses. The students have got a paint respirator, dust respirator, and to keep their feet safe, steel-toed boots from Caroline Footwear. And for this, there's a community grant foundation that the student can apply for and to pay for these items. A little bit about the equipment for the student to work on. For their success, they need to have the latest and greatest equipment that they'll see in the shop. Part of it starts with the welding. Behind these curtains here, we have a welding area that the student practices with. We have a Miller-Matic 252 MIG welder, a Miller-Matic 200 TIG welder if they want to get into custom work. The Ford F-150 since 2015 and the Cadillac CT6, aluminum body vehicles. From Denfix, we have an aluminum repair station with all the equipment needed to repair that aluminum. Also from Denfix, a new nitrogen hot air welder to repair plastics that can be successfully repaired on the vehicle. Getting back to the welders, from ProSpot, along with steel welding, this machine can also do aluminum MIG welding and silicone bronze. If you ever saw a video from a manufacturer how the cars are built in the factory with robotic welders, this ProSpot i5 is a squeeze-resistant spot welder that replicates those factory-type, robotic-type welds when we're replacing panels in the industry. When these vehicle gets hit, they get out of factory spec alignments. We have a car aligner frame bench here that can repair both unibody and body-on-frame truck-type vehicles. This equipment allows us to pull the vehicle back into factory spec, and to know where we're at with that, there's a computerized measuring system here that shows us what's out on the vehicle, what repairs we have to make, where to pull it, and get it back into the factory spec. This is an exciting time to be in this industry. Great equipment, there's great safety. working conditions, pay. A lot of these shops now, after a few years, it's not unheard of to keep a technician that they could be earning six figures, which means in the $100,000 range. A lot of this also, you're working in good conditions, late model vehicles. A lot of the techs now, they're getting older, they're retiring out, and there's a need to fill those vacant positions. So whether we're doing structural repair, non-structural, painting, the electrical, the mechanical, there's a need for these techs. Speaking of the electrical electronics, a big need now that's out there, and a lot of shops are looking for somebody that wants to take this, the ball and run with it, is good sensor recalibration. These vehicles now have advanced driver assist systems on it. And if you're familiar with that, that's adaptive cruise control, lane avoidance, collision avoidance. And these sensors, the smallest thing on the car, they have to be reset so the vehicle will perform properly. Maybe you might like the older cars. The skills you learn here, you could get into restoration and custom type work. So, if you're available over the summer, come take a look at it. If I'm available, I'd be more than happy to meet with you and come and show you the program, what it's about. While you're here, fill out the application for the community grant for the tool system on this. And hopefully we will see you here and sign up and make a good career out of collision repair technology. Thank you.